Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having Discord setup that exe installation has failed to extract installer. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be, if you already have Discord installed on your computer, then you just need to right click on the start icon and select installed apps. In search apps you just need to search for Discord. Click on the three dot icon and select uninstall and select uninstall. Once you uninstalling it, go ahead and restart your PC if it was in fact installed on this list. If it was not, I would still recommend doing the installation setup file that you are having problem with. Just need to open up browser and search for Discord. You will be get the official site discord.com. Click on it. Click on the download option. After getting download done, click on it to open file, and hopefully this can able to install without having any issues. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.